What if the company that many thought had fallen behind in AI hardware just made a move that could shake up the entire industry? Could Intel, long criticized for losing its edge, actually be making a real comeback? Not through government intervention alone, but because NVIDIA, one of the biggest rivals, is betting $5 billion on its future. Hey all, welcome to Share Trek, where science meets investments, and I'm your host Raj. So here's the deal. NVIDIA is putting $5 billion into Intel, buying shares at $23.28 each. That gives them a serious stake and a seat at the table. But it's not just about money. They are teaming up to develop custom CPUs for AI infrastructures and for PCs. Intel will make x86 chips that integrate NVIDIA RTX GPU chiplets. They are also going to be using NVLink, NVIDIA's high-speed interconnect, to make CPU and GPU talk to each other faster and more efficiently. This isn't just a small collaboration, it's the kind of partnership that could set new standards in performance for AI workloads and high-performance PCs. Markets reacted fast. Intel shares jumped around 24 to 30% after the news broke. That's a huge move, showing that investors are excited about the combination of capital and technology. And let's not forget, the US government already owns 9.9 or around 10% of Intel, thanks to the CHIPS Act. So there's a bigger picture here: national security, supply chain resilience, and tech leadership. These are all wrapped in this deal. Friends, if you're finding this kind of a breakdown useful, these kind of videos useful, please give that like button a click. It really helps us with the YouTube channel and gets other investors like yourself to discover our videos. That said, for NVIDIA, this partnership is huge. They get direct influence over CPU design, not just GPUs. That means that AI infrastructure can be more tightly optimized. They also get a way to reduce dependency on external foundries like TSMC. Although realistically, that will take years to play out, but this is just a beginning. And with the NVLink connecting CPUs and GPUs more closely, we could see lower latency and higher efficiency in AI workloads. Intel, on the other hand, gets the much-needed capital to fuel R&D and advanced packaging. They also get access to NVIDIA's GPU IP and CUDA system, which is a huge advantage for staying relevant in AI. And importantly, it restores some confidence in Intel's competitive position, not just for enterprise customers, but also in the broader AI market. And come to think of it, Intel was the leader in PCs, then AMD and NVIDIA stole Intel's market. And now NVIDIA, which was just in the GPU arena, has now come back full circle to bail out Intel. It's a remarkable turnaround story out here. Now, what does this mean for the rest of the industry? TSMC may feel some pressure if NVIDIA starts moving parts of production to Intel in the future. AMD and others in the CPU, GPU space are also going to watch closely. Think of TSMC, because Intel is also investing in foundry, so TSMC will also feel a pressure. This could intensify competition in integrated AI servers and PCs. Basically, the CPU and GPU worlds are converging, and this partnership is at the center of that convergence. And here is where it gets really interesting. The CHIPS Act and other government programs have been pushing domestic semiconductor production. Intel's funding aligns perfectly with that, and NVIDIA's choice to partner with Intel may not be coincidental. There's a strategic angle here: reduce reliance on foreign foundries, secure the AI supply chain, and hedge against global risk. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. Integrating CPUs and GPU chiplets is technically challenging. Manufacturing yields, costs, and capacity are all variables that could impact success. On top of that, the market has to adapt to these new chips. Software support, customer uptake, and pricing, all of that will matter. Keep an eye on Intel and NVIDIA's upcoming earnings calls. We'll be looking for product demos and roadmap updates. Watch TSMC and AMD reaction. In future, most of the NVIDIA roadshows or major events may end up giving a boost to Intel. Regulatory filings and approvals will also be key, along with any movement in Intel's foundry business taking NVIDIA's orders. And if those kind of orders happen, that could be a game changer. Friends, if you found value in today's deep dive, please consider subscribing and joining the ShareTrek retail investor community. And I would love to hear from you. Do you think this partnership could truly revive Intel's AI competitiveness? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. That brings me to an end of today's video, and I'll catch up with you again in the next. Bye for now.